Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can disconnect your cast feature in your Infinix device which you have connected to a TV. How you can disconnect it from this TV. So before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. Friends, you can see in the TV it is connected. You can see it is connected right now. How you can unpair it from your phone? Just click on the settings icon. You can see the settings icon. Just click on the settings, and here you can see the search bar. Just click on the search bar, and here you have to click on the cast button. Just click on the cast and click on more connections cast, and friends, it is highlighted there cast. Click on cast, and you can see it is connected smart 4823. Click on this right corner side setting bar. You can see this, and here it is. Click on disconnect, and friends, you can see the TV is disconnect. This is how you can unpair your Infinix smartphone with your TV. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.